Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw candy canes, kind of like in a little bit of a cross there with a bow in the middle of it. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. Alrighty, so it's going to be real simple, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing step by step. It's only be 8 minutes, so stay all the way to the very end of the lesson, and you'll learn the entire thing. All right. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe if you love Christmas drawing lessons or if you love Halloween drawing lessons. It's a seasonal channel. So hit that like, and then next year when Halloween and Christmas roll around, you're going to start seeing how to draw Halloween videos pop up on your YouTube feed. Same thing goes for Christmas. All right, let's jump into it. Whew. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the bow in the middle because I just think it's a lot easier. So I'm going to draw a circular shape here. Pull a line up, out, up, out, curve around the corner, down, curve around the corner, in, down over here, line over here for the fold, line over here for the fold over here, line over here for the fold, line over here. Gonna pull downward for kind of the, you know, where you tie the bow and there's the two tassels left over. Curve, just to kind of put a little flare to that, up. Curve down, little flare up here, down here. All right, so we have the bow, right? Really easy. Now let's draw the candy canes that go through. I'm going to draw a line up, curve down, go over here on this side, and I'm going to try to imagine in my mind's eye where it's going to come out, probably over here, right? Maybe a little bit more. Curve along here for just kind of the thickness that you think you want, and then pull straight up. And I'm going to have to follow this again with my mind's eye. Here and here. Down. Curve. Line. 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 Just kind of picking my spots, right? Can be just randomly down here. Like so. That's one side of the candy cane. Let's go over here and draw the other. Up. Curve. Down. Curve around the corner here. Up. Curve. Down. I'm going to follow this all the way through, right? I'm going to follow in my mind's eye like where it'll come out about here. Down. Curve. Up. Up. Curve line here, 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 curve line here. All right, like so. Now you have those two. You have the two candy canes crossing, and let's give the outside a thicker line, just the outer edge of everything. And that's going to stickerify it, basically. That's going to give it a more interesting look there. Stickerifying is basically just bolding out the edges. Over here. Just the outer edge of everything. I think it's very useful. Let's throw a little bit of color in here. I'm going to grab my red and just, you can grab anything you want. You can grab a marker, you can grab a crayon, you can grab anything. I'm going to grab a marker just because it tends to be quicker. Although it's kind of dying out, but I'll make the best of this marker. But you can also use crayon, like I said, colored pencil. Anything works. I just think candy canes should have color. If you can't color them, at least fill in the candy cane part, at least with like black, right? Instead of like white, red stripes, you can maybe fill it with a black stripe. Okay, so we got the red bow. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and pick every other stripe. So I'm gonna go over here, do the exact same thing, pick every other stripe. I'm just calling it flat though. It's nice to do that. It's up to you how you want to do it. If you want to do it flat or maybe give it some light at the end of it. But yeah, let me know your favorite Christmas story. I have a lot of them. I mean, as far as like fables go, from like cartoons, I like The Grinch from Dr. Seuss. I like the Ebenezer Scrooge one. I forgot what that's called. You know, the real famous one. Night Before Christmas or something. Well, Night Before Christmas is also kind of a Christmas movie, but it also has a lot to do with Halloween. There's that one. I'm gonna take a blue now. I'm gonna take a blue, and I'm going to go along the edges of the white. This is just extra, okay? Bonus round. You don't have to do this. But I'm going to take a blue and go, like just a blue marker of any kind and go like here. See if there's a white edge. See if there's a white. I'm going to, along one edge, I'm going to go blue. It makes it look more dimensional for some reason. Like it's reflecting light off something. And there you go. Just a little add-on. Thank you so much. Like I said, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. The like button is what keeps the stuff running here. When you press like, it brings in a lot of cool people, brings in more followers, and that's pretty much it. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you later.